What is up, everybody? My name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, and I have like kind of a high-end haul for you guys. I am trying to up my sourcing in 2023 and get some more sought-after items. I want things to flip faster. I want things to flip for more money, and I'm tired of I don't know if it's wasting my time. I'm kind of tired of wasting my time with $10 items. I'll probably still do it, but because I like ordering those thread-up bulk boxes, and a lot of tops come in those, but I can always take the ones that I'm not super crazy about to the buy-sell trade stores and things like that. But I spent some money and I scored a lot of good stuff. So let's get into it. First things first, I'm not even gonna save these till the end. I flipping love these. Look at these. These are Jeffrey Campbell. They are like the tapestry Western boot. I'm not sure what the style is, but these are so in right now. I want these for myself. I'm a size 11 and these are a 10, and I kind of just squeezed my foot into them. And I don't know. So I got these were 70% off. I got them for 30 something, $37. And I think I can sell these for $125, maybe even more. But these look like they haven't even been worn on the street. Very clean. So that was a score and a half. I got this Goldie. I'm gonna be popping tags here. This Goldie size 27 denim skirt, and the only reason I got it is because it has this crossover, the crossover waistband, which is really in right now too. Trying to be up with the trends, you know. But Goldie is also a great brand. Size 27. I paid $18 for these. This haul I paid up, but I'm looking to get like, you know, $50 or more flips, so I'm willing to pay up. I can probably get 50 bucks for this, especially since I'm going to be listing it in the right season. So these are Farai boots. A very cute style, and they are in amazing condition. They are, what size are you? They are a size 9. Just, look how nice those are. I don't know. I'm probably gonna list these for 75 bucks maybe. I got them for $33. I might list them for more and take an offer. But those are really nice. These are Dolce Vita, which like, they're expensive. Don't get me wrong, these are expensive, and I thought the style would kind of carry it. But these are also looking brand spanking new. They are a size 7.5. They're just really cute little trendy booties. And I paid $15 for these. I'm not sure what I'm gonna list those for, probably 40, 45 bucks. These are Stuart Weitzman. They are brown suede, that beautiful heel. Look at the bottom. They look like they have not even been worn at all. And I paid $36 for them. Beautiful, beautiful condition. I've seen people sell the over-the-knee Stuart Weitzman boots for over $200. I have to look my specific one up. And those actually might be getting sent to ThredUp. I don't know. Toying with sending some of this stuff to ThredUp. I paid $33 for these Fry boots. They're a size 7. They're just like the classic riding boot. Probably gonna list these for like 80, 85 and take an offer. They do have a little bit of wear on them, but I still am very confident that they will sell and give me a good profit. I got these, where's the other one? John Fluvog. I've heard great things about this brand from Tabs McCaffrey. I am like totally butchering her name, but she sells at John Fluvog all the time. They're like not in like, I don't know, they're in pretty good shape. Not an amazing shape like the other ones. Like they have a few scuffs on the toe, but I think I'm confident that these will still sell. I got really nice like floral print right there. What did I pay for these? $12. I'm gonna do the math. Paid around $12 for those. This is, Jesus, Patricia Nash. There it is. Lost my words. Nice tooled leather crossbody bag from Patricia Nash. I might send this to ThredUp. And I paid $21 for this. And the inside is extremely clean. I love the material she uses for the inside of her bags. But got that, probably gonna list that for $50. These are Veha. These were $21. They're looking pretty clean. I know this style is really in right now. I have no idea what I'm gonna list these for. But yeah, paid $21. Hopefully that was worth it. Another pair of Fry boots. These are a brown color. I think I like this color better. And what did I pay for you? $33 for these. And then these are like more of a stiff leather. These are also Fry. Very, very nice condition. And I paid $33 for these ones too. And these are quick listings, and I think they are going to move rather fast. This is Kate Spade. I paid 83, or not 83, it was 83, I paid 24 for this. It's like part patent leather, part nylon. I like that it has a green interior. This is a diaper bag. I didn't even realize that. Really nice condition diaper bag. So, well, I should be able to sell that for like $50 probably. This is a Dooney & Bourke. Nice leather bag. Inside's extremely clean. And I paid $24 for this one as well. It's like, I don't even know if this purse was even carried. Beautiful. Love that. These ones are Clark's. I paid $9 for these. Really nice. These look brand new. Clark's are not the fastest mover for me, but they were in such nice condition. 8.5 M, sorry. I'm trying to look for the size. And honestly, I kind of am annoyed because the one that they kept in the back, like they kept the good one out, and then the one that they kept in the back and got for me, I didn't even realize this till now, has like all these water spots, so that's annoying. I don't know why you would keep the nice one out, because you want to sell it, I know. These, I don't like picking up Danskos anymore, and I don't know why I picked these up. They're in great condition. They're a size 39. Like, you always want to look for like this up here being all worn out and cracked. That looks great. The bottoms look like these have not even been worn. Again, size 39. I forgot to check them for dry rot. I would have thought they would have checked it. And I paid $9 for those. I got this Free People kimono. Very cute. It's like gray with pretty crochet and embroidery on it. I don't have like the highest hopes for this one, but I'm thinking 25 bucks. I paid around 6. This is, take the tag off. This is Soft Surroundings. I paid $12 for it. It is new with tags. It is a size large. It's very pretty. So it's like a little flowy cardigan, but it has all that embroidery. It also has these really pretty like coin detail. I thought that would sell for a good amount. I paid $15 for these Agoldi jeans. Or no, these are frame. I spent $15 on frame jeans. Oh, I don't know about that. I totally thought these were Agoldi. Anyway, these are the Lay Slouch, which might be a better style than the other Agoldi, or not Agoldi, frame jeans. Because I know like the slouchy style jeans are still pretty in. Size 25. Great condition. Well, hopefully I didn't just waste my $15 on those. This was a whoopsie. I know I said that I paid $24 for this, and I probably shouldn't have. I bought this to send to ThreadUp. This is Jenny U collection, but I forgot to look it up on ThreadUp before I grabbed it. It's very pretty, but ThreadUp does not price it very well. So I don't know. Probably gonna take the big L on that one. This is beautiful. So this is Ula Johnson. I paid $36 for this. And oh my god, it's new with tags, but oh my goodness. It's got these beautiful like balloon sleeves and that metallic. Ula Johnson, size 6, retailed for $425. I don't know what I should have looked up comps. I broke my own rule like the very first haul. I didn't look up comps. But I was thinking I was gonna send this to ThreadUp and they'd probably price it at like 200 something possibly. And I'd make like 100. This was interesting, and I grabbed this at the last second. This is Andrea Gear. I paid $24 for this, and I bought it because it looked weird. Like, this is very art to wear, lag and look. Like, what's that one celebrity? She has like gray hair and she's in a bunch of movies. She dresses like this. Gosh, I can't remember her name. Mom, if you're watching, you know who she is. Andrea Gear, size small, medium. I thought this one had the, well, frick. I thought this one was new with tags, but I guess it's not. I will put comps on all of this stuff when I am editing, but this is very interesting. I have no idea. Feels really nice. Yeah, they had it priced at $88, so I'm wondering what the retail actually was on this. Very nice, different looking jacket, but I can't wait to look it up. So, okay, I totally overlooked one of my best finds, but now that I'm looking at the tag, I don't know if it's my best find. I got so excited. These were in the sale area, okay? These are Chloe. Not C by Chloe, these are Chloe. And the price said $125, and I was like, oh my gosh, 70% off of that is like $36. Done. I will buy these. Well, I just looked at the tag and it doesn't even say 70% off on it. I think somebody put these in the wrong area and I got excited. And I bought them for full price, possibly. In my editing, I will let you know. But goodness gracious. But they're in pretty good condition. Where is the size on these? Please tell me there's an area where there's a size. Why do I get so excited? Well, they have them as a 7.5, so goodness gracious. Anyway, these are really cute. Hopefully I can make my money back on these. If I did happen to pay, oh yeah, it says 37.5. Okay. If I did happen to pay full price for these, I hope I can sell them for a profit or just break even. I don't care at this point. Why did I do that? I'll have to see how much I paid for them. Anyway, the people from the store know I'm a reseller, so hopefully everything else that I bought was 70% off, so I don't know if they thought maybe I thought these were better or what, but hopefully they're a sought after style and I can sell them for a bunch. But anyway, cut back into the video. Anyway, that was my haul. I definitely paid up for a lot of this stuff. Some of it, should I have paid up? I don't know, probably not, but I think all of this stuff is gonna be really fast flips for me, and then I can go reinvest into other things. So, thank you guys for watching. Please, please, please subscribe. I am like right there to 1,000 subscribers, and then I can start getting paid for these videos. So thank you so much if you have subscribed, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.